My name is Jonna. I have been a trainer here at Title Boxing Club for 1 year now. I teach both boxing and kickboxing classes. I primarily teach kickboxing though. I love this community so much, and I always thought being the one leading class would be a lot of fun. And actually, trainers kept coming up to me after class asking if I wanted to start teaching. So that kind of planted that idea in my head. And I just really liked the idea of leading the class in combinations that I believed would work best for all body levels. I teach during the day. I'm a special education teacher, and so I'm really passionate about helping people reach their goals. So I thought, why not also help them reach their fitness goals? My favorite thing about teaching is just seeing the members, seeing their progress, seeing them in class, pushing their bodies to the limits. They can do anything that they put their mind to. It's just really special to see those people who keep coming back that couldn't do a certain combination or couldn't get their kick high enough, and then they come back next week and they're kicking the top of the bags, they're punching a little bit harder, they're turning their bodies in ways that they didn't think they could. So I think that's my favorite part of coaching, is just the community and seeing those members reach the goals that they set for themselves. I think people should box because, well, first off, it's a really great outlet for getting your stress out, the everyday work angers that you get. It's just a good healthy way to get that frustration out. It's challenging your body in a way that you wouldn't think to normally challenge it, or just moving your body in a way that helps you become stronger in just overall movements. My goals when it comes to coaching are just to inspire the members. I wasn't the most athletic when I started here at Title Boxing Club about 4 years ago. Yeah, I wasn't the most athletic person. I was very unfit, and then just starting out here as a member, I saw myself not only losing weight, but just seeing an increase in my mental strength, my emotional strength, mental health, all that stuff. And I hope to inspire members to also reach their goals, not just their fitness goals, but overall their mental health goals, getting them to where they need to be, strength in all aspects.